Let us understand some of the common numeric functions we use. We have functions even for standard operators such as plus, minus, star, forward slash, etc. Before getting into the details, let's understand that plus is typically used for addition, minus is typically used for subtraction. It is also called as hyphen. Star or asterisk is used for multiplication, and forward slash is used for division. For these standard operators, we have functions under a library called as operator. However, even though there are functions, we typically use operators directly, and these are nothing but the operators we use. If you want to map the functions with the operators, add is used for addition in place of plus, sub is used for subtraction in place of minus, mul is used for multiplication in place of star or asterisk, true div is used for division in place of forward slash. There is also a function called as pow for getting power value, and also there is an operator called as percentage which can be leveraged to get the remainder. For that we have a function called as mod. We will see those details when we get into hands-on in a moment. Also there is a library called as math. It actually provides some advanced mathematical operations such as sine, tan, cos, etc. And also it provides functionality such as floor, ceil, etc. Also we have functions such as min, max, etc. to get minimum and maximum of the numbers passed. However, min and max can be used on other data types also. They are not only available on top of numbers, they can be used on any collections of any type. That being said, if you want to use operators and add two numbers, this is how it will look like. If you want to divide 5 with 4 and get the remainder, and if you want to use operator for modulus, the operator is nothing but percentage, and this is how it will look like. It will return 1 for us. Now, in place of operators, if you want to use functions, you have to import the functions from operator. You can see that I have imported add, sub, mul, and true div from operator. You can get the help on add. You can see that it is same as a plus b. I guess internally whenever you try to add two numbers using plus operator, it might be invoking add function itself. That being said, now if I say add of 4, 5 like this, it will add both the numbers and it will give the result. Same is the case with sub for subtraction, mul for multiplication, true div for division. If you use true div, the first argument will be divided by second argument and it will give us the result. Let us explore that real quick. So in this case, I am saying true div of 4, 5 and let's see what it returns. It is returning 0.8 or 0.8. That being said, operator also have a function called as mod to get the remainder when a number is divided by another number, similar to what we have seen earlier. With 5% 4, mod of 5, 4 gave us 1. There is a function called as pow. In this case, it will return 2 to the power of 3, which is nothing but 8. You don't need to import from any library. However, pow is also exposed as part of math library. Math library also have the pow. I am not 100% sure whether both are same or not, but either you can use math.pow or pow directly. To ensure whether they are different or same, what we can do, we can say pow question mark like this or help of pow. It will give us the details about the pow function. Also, you can actually say math.pow question mark like this. It is saying math.pow doesn't exist. Actually, it exists. Okay, I haven't imported math, that's why it is not showing up. Let me paste here. Let me import math now and then let me get the help on math.pow. These two are a bit different. These two are not same. Whatever is comfortable with you, you can use either of these functions. Either you can use this one or this one to get the power of one number to the other number. Now ceil is nothing but the lowest next integer for a given decimal, and hence it will return 5. Floor is nothing but highest previous integer from the decimal. In this case, it will return 4. Also there is round function, but round is not part of math. You can use round directly. If you use round, if you say 4.4, it will actually return 4, and if you say 4.7, it will return 5. So if it is below 0.5, it will give the previous number. If it is above 0.5, it will give the next number. Also, round can actually take the decimals you want to see. So in this case, let's say round of 4,667 or 662, and you want to get only up to one decimal. So you can say comma 1 like this. And you can get only up to the one decimal. Because this is more than 5, we got 4.7. If you want to get up to 2 decimals, you can say like this, it will return 4.66. So this is how you should be able to either round or ceil or floor for a given decimal number. These are some of the common operations which we typically perform on decimal numbers. That's why I'm spending some time on those. Now if you want to get square root of a number, you can say math.square root like this. It will give us the square root of the number. Also, as I have highlighted earlier, you should be able to say math.pow of 2, 3 to get 2 to the power of 3. Pow is also available directly without using math library. Now when it comes to min and max, they can take as many arguments as you want to pass. Let's get the syntax of min here. When it comes to min takes a collection, or you can pass as many values as you want. And it will actually give us the minimum of all the values that are passed. In this case, I have passed 2 and 3. The minimum of 2 and 3 is nothing but 2. In this case, I have passed 4 arguments for max, and max of all these 4 is nothing but 5. So this is how you should be able to use the existing functions to solve your numeric or mathematical type of problems. Make sure you are comfortable with at least these functions to begin with. As you proceed further and start building solutions for your applications, you should be able to explore further functions and take care of your requirements.